Okay, here we are in one of the coolest streets that I've seen, and actually one of the YouTube viewers told me about it, and it looks really cool when we get into here. It's like a little circular concave-ish kind of thing, and I filmed here kind of late at night, and I tried to get here as fast as I could so I could try to capture it before it got too dark, because last time I couldn't capture the colors so well. But we're here this time, and we're definitely going to capture it this time. So let's get right into that and go check it all out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yep, Gago, Coutinho. Yep, one of the viewers told me about it, and I was here and I didn't really know that was the same one until later I came back home and looked at my notes. A lot of times I just kind of walk around and explore, and then sometimes I'll write down suggestions that people have, and then if I'm in the neighborhood, I'll usually will try to find it and film it. And so I went home and I saw this was already there, and so I bet by the time they see the other one, they'll probably mention it, I think. And I think that one, this is going to be the thumbnail. That other one, I already kind of looked at it a little bit and saw that that would be an amazing thumbnail. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of concave, and I was really surprised. I just didn't expect it. And you have this little like plants, and like, you know, somebody owns this little space, right? So they got this cool little corner, and then all these giant little circular ones. I think those circular ones are what make it. If they didn't have that, it might be in a different feel altogether. I don't know if we can go in there or not. Probably not, but I think it goes all the way through as well. So let's take a gander. Take a gander. Take a look at this. There's all these kind of auto mechanic shops in here too, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, it's nice and concave. So it kind of goes like the circular one, like that. And then the way that this is built too kind of adds to that circular-ish effect. Yeah, when I came around that side the other night, I was just really impressed. At the moment, I don't know if it looks as cool as I just don't know. Let me know. Let me know if that looks cool to you too. I just like the way that the buildings kind of curve to this side like that. And then yeah, last time I came in through this side and I saw this one, I was like, wow, that's really amazing. I didn't expect it. And I kind of came in and looked at that circular. Yeah, this one is more circular than the other one, because these are all, the other one, they're balconies, and these are actually like alcoves. I don't know what you call those. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so now I can see all the cool stuff. So you got these kind of like almost like hotelish looking things, and that pretty cool looking building right there. So when you're on this side in particular, it looks really amazing. Yeah, and then you got this whole concave like that, concave like that. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Actually, this might be my new thumbnail. Is this side? That looks really amazing. Okay. So yeah, this is little Zhuhai Gago Coutinho, I believe it's called. Yeah, last time I was here, there was a little line where these three people are. I don't know why they were there. Zhuhai Gago Coutinho. So that's the main street right there. Yeah, there's still a line there too today as well. And then there's this also little alleyway that goes all the way through like that. And over here is a DHL pickup. I think they're all waiting for a bus, maybe. I don't know. So anyways, that's this cool looking little street, and I can see it a little bit. It's not so dark as last time. Last time it was so dark. Still a little bit dark, but still better than before, a little bit lighter. Okay, hope you like that one as much as I liked it, and thanks for that suggestion. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha.